his glasses. Some people need them to read. Chris needs them to record. Do we want to start from the top?
Yes.
Hey everybody, welcome to the ChriMel Show. I'm Melissa.
I am Chris.
What are we going to do today, Chris?
We are gonna make Poppin' Popper Burger. We are gonna make Poppin' Burgers. To make these Poppin' Burgers, you need ingredients. Should we
Right,
show
and
the
who
ingredients?
came up with this burger?
I actually came up with this burger. It's not that amazing, but I like it. First thing we need.
Excuse me, it's delicious.
Oh, you like
Okay,
it?
Mr. Humblebrag, it's not that easy, but...
Did you call me humble brick?
A humble bragger. Haven't you heard humble bragging?
I thought it was a humble brick. Okay, first thing we need, patties. We got these already, steakhouse patties is what these are.
They are gourmet steakhouse burgers, 6
Gourmet.
ounces each.
6 ounces each. You can use any kind of burger you want. We had these done for us, so makes it easy. If you can make it easy, do it.
Yes.
Next, okay, these are jalapeno poppers. They're filled with cream cheese, wrapped in bacon, and then this is paprika on the outside, right?
I believe so.
You know, if we're gonna make a video about the food, we should have done the research to find out what it is. We are buying sourced products. We didn't make these ourselves. One thing I do like to do though is I like to stick toothpicks in here when I throw them on the grill so that the bacon stays tight and wrapped around it. Okay, these poppers. We're gonna show you what to do with these after everything's all cooked. Those are the toothpicks. Next thing you want certainly is buns. You can use any kind of hamburger buns, but these are special buns, right?
They are brioche buns.
Brioche buns.
Homemade brioche buns.
Made by Melissa.
First time making them.
They look cool. Let's go for it. Again, we are leisure testing, and that's what we do. We're taking ingredients, putting together things, and we're going to test it, see how it goes. And then the last thing you'll need is just barbecue sauce. Really, that's all you need.
All you need is...
So,
Sorry.
little known fact, the Beatles wrote a song about barbecue. Because when you think Beatles, you think barbecue. Is that? All you need is barbecue.
Hey cats, Jive Records presents Melissa Sings the Beatles and the new album Barbecue Hits That They Never Sang. Check out this tune.
It's been a hard day's night. I've been making that barbecue.
Or this possible future hit. Yesterday, you used all the sauce.
Yesterday, you used all the sauce and took it away. Now my burger seems so dry like hay. Oh, I was mad yesterday.
Now available at record stores near people who live near record stores.
Okay, let's get cooking. We're running out of daylight.
We are.
Okay.
We've got a grill.
High five yet? Not yet!
Okay, as stated earlier, make sure you put toothpicks into these babies. There's nothing worse than chasing around a slab of bacon on a grill. I use 2 toothpicks per pepper. That's all you need. It's going to do the trick.
All right, Melissa, everything's done. Now it's time to build the burgers. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
I've been thinking about it. The JPoppers.
The JPoppers. Why J?
Jalapeno.
Oh,
Or maybe
gotcha.
the J Burger Poppers. We're going to come up with a name eventually. But I'm going to stop talking because I don't want everything to get cold.
What if the audience came up with the name?
No, I'd be all for that. This is exciting.
Yes.
All right. So, Melissa has put the barbecue sauce on it. Good stuff. Then all you do is you just take the patty right here, just put it on, move it to the side, take your jalapeno popper, take the toothpicks out. These are obvious things, but I got it, for legal reasons, I have to tell you. Then what I do is I cut the top off because you don't want to eat the stem. And that's all you do. There's your cooked. Just put one on top. You know, some people might put 2 on top. I just put 1. Actually, I'm the one that invented this. So it's like, I like to put 1 on top. Sometimes, I've done 2 before, but I'm kind of trying to cut down on calories. So you put it there, you take the top, and then you just squeeze it down. Oh wait, you get the barbecue sauce, never mind.
Oh, jeez.
It makes a little bit of a mess, but hey, who likes a clean burger? Then let's just cut it in half and see how pretty it looks. These buns are amazing. There you go. Oh, look at that.
Looks fancy.
Let's eat.
I can't wait to
Let's
try
do it. Let's go. Sorry guys, we keep talking, but we're hungry. All right, we've been able to eat half of it. Well, I've been able to eat half of mine so far. What do you think?
I think it's delicious. Nice spice. Now that I have a couple of bites into the jalapeno, I'm feeling that heat, which is great.
Yeah, I'm gonna take another bite.
And then, what would you say? Does this feel like it was difficult to make, or what kind of a rating would you give the effort level?
I would say that it was a somewhat easy.
But not easy peasy?
Not easy peasy, somewhat easy. The difficulty is a jalapeno popper, because it's wrapped in bacon and then it's on the grill, it can start on fire. So if you're not paying attention, other than that, you know, frying up a burger on the grill, not too difficult. You know, you made this bun, which is amazing. Was that hard?
Not really.
I mean, you can just buy buns at the store if you don't want to try to make your own bun.
Right.
But I would have to say this is definitely a double thumbs up yum. And not because I invented it. I'm sure there's somebody sitting at home going, no, I invented that.
We'll start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, start your own YouTube channel. Should we do it?
All right.
A double thumbs up yum. Leisure testing complete.
Yes.
COVID safety style with the fist bump.
All right, let's eat. Hey, thanks so much for watching the ChriMel Show. Go ahead and hit the like button. Then make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell so you get our latest notifications.